Wanted to do a quick video on failure. As an anti-fragile believer, failure is inevitable, and the quicker you do it, the better off you may be in whatever you want to do in life. When it comes to trading, this really parlays into similar things. There's two types of failure in my mind. I think it's a curse to have everything go right when you're first getting into the trading game. Especially if you do this, you will fail to question the element of luck. Making you think that you have the golden touch, or you know exactly what you're doing. Think of it this way. There are two kinds of failure in trading. First comes from never trying out your ideas because you are afraid, or because you are waiting for the perfect time. And as we've discussed, there is no perfect trade, there is no perfect moniker, there is no holy grail when it comes to trading. So this kind of failure you can never learn from, because you'll never participate, you'll never start, and having the timidity and being timid in your trade will destroy you ultimately. So the second kind of failure comes from bold and venturesome spirit. And what I mean by that is simply that you must trade, you must experience both the ebb and flow, ups and downs of winning and losing before you're going to succeed. Okay, so if you fail in this manner and learn from that failure, the hit that you take in your capital account is greatly outweighed by what you may learn in the long run. So repeated failure will toughen you, it'll toughen your spirit, and show you with absolute clarity how things must be done. Okay, so in fact, I think it's a curse for those that come into this game and win. Maybe they're in a market that's always going up. For example, I'll use a very short-term example, but we're in a market right now that has seen a higher high and a higher low for 9 days in a row. So it gives people a false sense of security that they know what they're doing, when in essence we're just in a moment in time, in a real small moment in time, where the market is doing exactly what everybody thinks. Oh, buy low, sell high. Well, we never really go low, we just go higher. So it makes that luck, if you will, that timing of when they came into the market, feel easier than it really is. So when you do inevitably fail, it will confuse and demoralize you if you come into a situation where you have more luck maybe than success from your failure. So as an apprentice in the trading game, or if you're just stepping into it, understand that you must act on your ideas. Again, not be timid, not be shy. Practice makes perfect. And again, establishing your risk parameters, the time frames, the narrative that you want to play within this game are very important and key to your failing, which will lead to ultimate success. So if you haven't failed in trading, you're not doing it well. If you haven't had a losing trade, you're definitely not doing it well, because every trader, including myself and every other trader out there, has losing trades forever and ever. It's infinitum. You will never have a moment where you're perfect. So get over it, get over yourself, fail quickly, fail fast, and you too will be successful in the speculation game.